Happy birthday, senior! Happy birthday, happy birthday! Happy birthday, senior! Dindo!
Happy birthday, Dong!
Love you! We love you! Live at Citadong office! Yay! Bye! Mwah, mwah, mwah!
68th birthday nong Dindo. Nong, happy birthday nong. Wish daghan pa kang birthday maabot sa mga nabuhi nong o daghan pa kang candle to blow o daghan pa ka may panglawas. And then daghan pa ka malaagan unta nong o enjoy the rest of your birthday nong. Mara.
Happy birthday nong. Bitagaan ka sa Ginoo. Taas nga kinabuhi dayo. Maayo nga panglawas. And enjoy your day now. Happy birthday.
Sa katapusan ba, ma'am?
Happy birthday.
Ato na yung surprise.
Love you.
Thank you.
Hi, Uncle Dindo, Auntie Neneng, Yan and Habi, and of course, si Budin. Happy birthday, Uncle, and thank you so much for everything. You have been so good to me and to our family, to my family. Just a very quick story. I remembered when I was young, sa Linatangan, and Uncle made the best chocolate cake. And I think he's very famous for that. Also, I remembered nga, nag-family outing ta ato somewhere like a spring resort. I'm not sure if it was Mambukal or whatever, but I was drowning. Natoy time nga, nalumos ko, and then Uncle Dindo was the one who actually saved me. So I also remember those times, 2018, when I was there in Baltimore, and you welcomed me into your home, and for that I'm very, very grateful. So, Uncle, unsa man magtimpla na taog tableya chocolate, let me know so that I can send you guys those tableya from Gilang in Argao. So again, happy birthday, Uncle, and I wish that you would have good health, you and your family, not just you, but you and your family, and spiritual revival within our family, and I hope that you wouldn't change, and that you will still be the cool, awesome, and very kind uncle to all of us. So again, happy birthday, and thank you so much for everything. I hope we'll see you again. Visit me there, I don't know, I hope sometime next year or probably in the next 2 years. Thank you, and happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy 60th birthday!
Everyone misses you.
Hi, Uncle Dindo. It's Gio. I just want to wish you a happy 60th birthday. Although I don't remember much when I was 4 years old there in Baltimore, My mom has told me a lot of stories about you guys taking care of me while she was at work and learning the rosary and everything, treating me as like one of your kids. I'm very thankful for that, and I hope you have a really good birthday. Bye!
Hi Caldindo, happy 60th birthday. Balik na mo diri sa Pinas kay dagat. Laga kita. And timing yun nga pag-chat ni Auntie Fatima na kami dire naglaag. Kuan, I wish you all the best in life and tani mauli na po mo para mag-sadya na ta dire. See you soon and God bless you always, Paul.
Happy birthday, Uncle Dindo! All the way from Belgium! Unta, next time, makabisita mo dire or bisita po mi diha sa inyo. Enjoy your day! Bye-bye!
Hi Nung Dindo, happy 60th birthday. Wish ko lang po sana maging malusog po kayo palagi. Enjoy life to the fullest. And I'm always grateful and thankful, especially to both of you, T. Fatima, and to your entire family as well. And happy 60th birthday. God bless you always and more birthdays to come.
Hi Din! Happy birthday to you from Toronto with love. Murag naa naman imo tanan din. We wish you more healthy years to celebrate. Tawo. Kuan ko no din. Kanang ito gani. Ang wish ano mo din kay. Ang imo bang kuan ba? Ang imo bang partner? Basi ko no sa imong pagka 60 ko no. Luag-luaga na kuno ka.
Happy birthday dong. Nanglan healthy pirmi lang exercise kay para sige ra ninyo pakanandawa driving.
Oh, bitaw.
Happy birthday. More years to celebrate. Si Arlene pa.
And more years to enjoy din. More years to enjoy. Nakanang wala na kusi-kusi ba ni Fatima ba? Hoan, Rital.
Hi Cole, happy birthday. Wala na.
Karon.
Hi Cole, happy birthday. Enjoy mo dra. Lago mo niya diri usog.
Yani pon-pon ah.
Enjoy.
Sina kanta ta. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Once again din, enjoy your 60th birthday. We miss you and hope to see you soon.
Happy birthday dong. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Enjoy.
Enjoy.